Hey, I wanted to announce that I have a new option, especially if you are a beginner baker. I have an all virtual mini course, mini class, whatever you want to call it. The link is in my bio if you want to check it out. It includes my classic white cake recipe, my decorator's buttercream crusting icing that I love and that I decorate all of my cakes and cupcakes with, weddings, birthdays, everything. It also has video tutorials for both of those recipes as I'm walking you through it. And these are not fast forwarded recipes. These are me talking to you just like this, explaining to you what I prefer to do, how I prefer to mix this and that, and what tools I like. Plus it includes 3 other videos, one where I'm crumb coating the cake, one where I'm icing it nice and smooth, and then one where I'm adding a quick texture to the sides of my cake. So if you are new to this, or maybe you're not new to this and you just want a fresh start and you just want a refresher course, this is for you. So the link in my bio will take you there. Once you get there, just hit subscribe. Don't worry, I'm not going to send you 1,000 texts or emails or anything like that. But once you hit subscribe, you'll be able to see that option, the class, and you'll be able to choose it. It has a little blurb of information on there about the class, and then you'll be able to purchase that. And it's not something that you need to be online at a certain time for. This is completely yours. You can watch the videos whenever you want. You can make the recipes whenever you want. And it's just going to be perfect. I really think you're going to enjoy it. It's much easier than trying to join a live class with me or something along those lines. So anyway, check it out. If you have any questions, drop a comment below this video so I can answer those questions for you. But check the link out, subscribe, see what you think it'll work for you. I'm also, over the next few months, going to be releasing some more. So I'll do a chocolate cake option with chocolate buttercream. I'll do a German chocolate cake. I'll do a carrot cake. So some of those may be more difficult baking techniques. I'm going to incorporate those and do little mini courses for each one of those as well. So you will be covered. We will cover it all. But this one I feel like is the basic you need. It is the backbone to all things cake. So check it out. Let me know what you think. And I really, really, really hope you enjoy it.